Hi, dear student. Myself, Mr. Bausab Dabhadi, your geography teacher. Today we discuss about the Northern Plains. The Northern Plain is located in the North India. This plain is formed in the flat plains in the three bigger rivers, the Indus River, the Ganga River, and the Brahmaputra. This river system is flows in the northern plains, and this plain is also called the Indo-Gangetic Plains. The alluvial soil developed in this river area, and this river is very vast basin near the Himalayas mountain. Over millions of years, this area is very good fertile soil. Development of agriculture. These soils deposits in the very good fertile in the northern plains. The plain spans the area of a small country. This area is developed the plain 7 lakh square kilometer. It's very vast area. This width of this plain as you go from north to south is narrow west. It stretches across 240 kilometers. At its widest, it is stretched across 320 kilometers. The northern plain is very good development of wild animals. 2400 kilometers. This is the length of the northern plains. As mentioned here, in the most of the activity, the fertile soil cover and water is found in plenty. Combined with the favorable climate in the crops, the climatic condition is very nice for the growing of rice, wheat and other crops. Therefore, it is not surprising the northern plains is very densely populated, the geographical division of India. Did you know? Not just in India, the northern plain is one of the most populated area on the earth because the river system form in the north area. The rivers coming from the northern mountain, the huge of large soils and the road systems and the flows down to the plains due to the gentle slope in the velocity of decreases and the material carried by the mountains on these rivers way. These deposits soil the create on the rivers and near the island area. For example, in the Brahmaputra river flowing to the Assam lies an island called the Majuli. This island is famous in the river island in the world. This bit of the river as they go down to the stream due to the deposition of huge quantities of silt. These rivers numerous channels. These channels are called the tributaries. There are most wild animal available. All the distributaries collect the deltas. For example, the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta is an important part of the northern plains. In fact, with the expansion of the deltas, the northern
Water used for
plains
purification is supposed to be available.
now
Video internet connected all these years. And tomorrow there will be meeting at 11 for
the
about
northern plains
Ladakh.
can be divided
That
in the
is supposed
three
to be
main parts.
modern.
The main parts of the northern plains.
Tomorrow 21st December there will be meeting at 11 a.m. sharp. Be
The
there in this
northern
room at
plains
11:30.
first in the northeast. This part is from Indus and its tributary. And the second part, Indus and this tributary and the Jhelum, the Chenab, the Ravi, the Beas, the Satluj. These are the tributaries originate in the Himalayas. These all the rivers lies the very fertile soil in Punjab. This part of the northern plains also called the Punjab Plains. You look at the map of India, however, you have found in the bigger portion of the Punjab Plains lies in the Pakistan. Did you know the name Punjab is the name of two words, Punj and Ab. Punj means five and Ab means water. The five water bodies. The Punjab is very good the development of five river. This section is northern plain is dominated by the Doab. Understood? The Punjab is very famous in the wheat growing. The agriculture development is very well developed in Punjab. Doab is the land that derived by two water bodies. It is called as Punjab. Doab lies between Jhelum and Chenab river. Understood? The next part of the northern plain, the Ganga Plain. This plain consists of the middle portion of the northern plain and lies between the Ghagras and the Tista rivers. This is the middle area. The Ganga Plain spread in the North India. It covers Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and parts of Jharkhand and West Bengal. These areas are covered in Ganga Plains. Finally, the eastern portion of the Ganga Plain, it is called as Brahmaputra Plain. This plain lies in the state of Assam. Which state of India are covered by the northern plain? The different states fall in the northern plains are Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal, and the Assam. These states are covered in the northern plains. What kind of relief features does the northern plains display? People generally think of the northern plains region of the flat land on the grass, but there are another physical features and the varieties of geomorphological condition. Delta, oxbow, very new types of geomorphological features. The variety of relief. The northern plains, the physical division. Bhabar, Terai, Bhangar, and Khadar. These are the rivers' physical features. These features of the age of this river. we can Bhabar is a narrow belt of the river area in the northern plain, lie parallel to the slope in the Sivalik. This region is about to the 16-kilometer wide and consists on the table in the positive by the river. After the mountain regions, interestingly, all the streams disappear in the Barmer place. Therefore, the level of groundwater is very deep here. Moving south of the Bhabar belt, it is the next picture. Terai. All rivers and streams disappear in the Bhabar place. In this region, the Terai region consists of wet, swampy and marshy land. Dear student, there is a very good quality of agriculture. This area is also called the rice bowl of India because agriculture development is much more developed. Most of India's rice is grown here. Many famous cities located here and most of the wild animal and the natural condition is very good in the northern plains. The tourism activity is much more developed in this area. Many famous cities such as Haridwar, Varanasi, Patna, Guwahati are situated on the banks of this river that flow through the northern plains. Allahabad is located at the confluence of the rivers Ganga and Yamuna. The famous Kumbh Mela is held here once in every 12 years. These all the famous stations located in Uttar Pradesh. So dear student, today we discuss the second number physical features, the northern plains. Northern plains is located in the North India and it's very well developed in agriculture activity. Understood?